How to log in HSBC Bank Online Banking. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into HSBC Online Banking. For this, you want to open up any web browser. Now you want to search for HSBC Bank. Then tap on this website, which is hsbc.co.uk. Now, on this web page, you want to tap on the log on option at the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on this, it will bring you to the login portal. Now, you will have to enter some details. Start by entering your username. If you want your username to be remembered, check the box that says Remember Me. Remember only to do this on private computer or devices. Now tap on the Continue option. On the next page, you will have to enter your password. Once you have entered that, tap on the Log On option. In case you have forgotten your username, you want to tap on the Forgotten Your Username option. Now, in order to retrieve your username, you can use any of these methods. If you select credit card number, tap on this and tap on the Continue option. Then on the next page, you will have to enter your credit card number. After that, you want to enter your date of birth. Once that is done, tap on the Continue option, and from there you will be able to retrieve your username. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.